Welcome aboard Le Grand Bleu, a 2016 Azimut 66 Flybridge currently offered for sale exclusively with 26 North Yachts. She's equipped with twin Caterpillar C18 ACERTs with 1,150 horsepower each. She holds 1,030 gallons of diesel and cruises at 28 to 29 knots with a 300 nautical mile cruising range. She is an incredibly highly maintained and well-equipped vessel, and today we will be going on a full tour from bow to stern. The bow seating area on board the Azimut 66 Fly provides plenty of space to entertain your guests. A sunbed forward provides space for 4 to 5 adults, and a U-shaped seating area with a built-in motorized bimini top provides even more space to relax. Heading up and aft, this 66 Fly features an oversized flybridge with over 300 square feet. All the way aft, you'll find a U-shaped seating area with room for 6 to 8 adults. This yacht is optioned with a hardtop with a retractable sunroof, underneath which you will find a dining area with a teak table. Just across, you will find your summer kitchen, complete with a freshwater sink, grill, and 2 fridges. Just forward, next to the helm, you will find an additional seating area with a teak table. And all the way forward on starboard side, you will find the helm, complete with 2 helm chairs, Raymarine displays, and of course, all of the necessary controls to safely operate the vessel. And the entire flybridge is serviced by an upgraded JL audio sound system. Heading all the way to the stern, this Azimut 66 Fly features an oversized hydraulic swim platform that houses a rib tender that is included with purchase. Just forward, you will find access to the crew quarters, which have been immaculately maintained. Many yachts of this class use the crew quarters strictly as storage, but as you can see, these crew quarters are ready to go and in perfect condition. Just forward, tucked under the extended flybridge, you will find the aft cockpit. It offers a great place to have a formal meal and relax while underway while being protected from the wind. Just inside the salon, you will find sofas to both port and starboard, offering plenty of room to relax away from the elements. Forward on starboard side, you will find a dinette that can seat 6 to 8, and just across you will find the galley, which comes complete with a full suite of Miele appliances. This includes a 4-burner induction cooktop as well as a microwave convection combo. The helm features 2 bolstered captain's chairs, as well as Raymarine multifunction displays, bow and stern thrusters, and joystick controls. Next, we'll head below deck and check out the overnight accommodations. This Azimut 66 Fly features a highly desirable 4-cabin layout. The first cabin features 2 twin-sized beds with a very spacious ensuite head with a separate shower stall. Just across, you will find the extra guest cabin, which features a bunk setup with plenty of storage. The VIP guest suite is located all the way forward and features an island-style berth with large windows to both port and starboard. It also features a spacious ensuite head. The full-beam primary suite is located all the way aft and features large windows to both port and starboard, allowing plenty of natural light to flow in. It also features a sitting area, large flat-screen TV, and of course, a spacious ensuite head with a large shower with a built-in bench. Thank you for taking a tour with us of Le Grand Bleu, a 2016 Azimut 66 Flybridge. It is currently offered for sale exclusively with 26 North Yachts. For more information, please reach out to the email or phone number shown on the screen, and to see the full listing, you can find the link in the description below.